Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging radical equation x equal to 1 plus square root 3 plus square root 8x plus 4 which we have to solve for real values of x. So let's get started. We will begin with subtracting 1 both sides. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get over from RHS. We will get x minus 1 equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 8x plus 4. Now we can talk about domain of the equation. We have a square root in RHS. So this quantity must be greater than or equal to 0. So LHS must be non-negative. We will write first condition or first inequality. X minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So from here we will get x should be greater than or equal to 1. Now we have radicand 8x plus 4 over here, which must be non-negative. So we'll write here 8x plus 4 should be greater than or equal to 0. We'll divide both sides by 4 and get 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. We'll subtract 1 from both the sides. We'll get 2x is greater than or equal to minus 1. By dividing 2, we will get our second inequality. X should be greater than minus half. So we have two conditions. One from left hand side, another from right hand side. We'll take intersection of these two conditions and we will get x should be greater than or equal to 1. For x to be real, x must be greater than or equal to 1. Now we will be squaring this equation. So I will write x minus 1 equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 8x plus 4. We will square both sides to remove square root from RHS. So we will write here part 2. Now square root and square will get over from right hand side. We will write x minus 1 whole square equal to 3 plus square root of 8x plus 4. Now we will subtract 3 from both the sides. So I will write minus 3 plus 3 and minus 3 will get over. We will write x minus 1 whole square minus 3 equal to the square root 8x plus 4. Now we have to expand x minus 1 whole square, which we will write x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 equal to the square root of 8x plus 4. Now we can take 4 common from radicand. So it will come out as 2. We will write 2 times square root of 2x plus 1. In left hand side we have x square minus 2x minus 2. Now we will add 2x plus 2 both sides. So let us write here plus 2x plus 2. So we will add 2x plus 2 in right hand side also. Now plus and minus 2x plus and minus 2 will get over. We will write equation x square equal to 2x plus 2 plus 2 times square root of 2x plus 1. Now we will use substitution. Let me write equation here. X square is equal to 2x plus 2 plus 2 times square root of 2x plus 1. Let's assume a square root of 2x plus 1. Suppose this is equal to u. So 2x plus 1 will become u square after squaring both sides. Or we can write 2x will be equal to u square minus 1. Now in LHS, we will write x square as it is. In right hand side, we have 2x, which we will write u square minus 1. Then we have plus 2. Then we have 2 times square root 2x plus 1, which is our substitution, u. So we will write here 2u. So in RHS, we are going to get u square plus 2u plus 1. And in LHS, we have x square. U square plus 2u plus 1 is perfect square of u plus 1. So we'll write here x square equal to u plus 1 whole square. Now we will take square root both sides. We'll write here square root, we'll write here square root. Now we can cancel square root with a square in left hand side, and we have to write plus minus sign over here. So I will write plus minus sign. In LHS there will be x, in RHS there will be plus minus. The square root and a square is over, so u plus 1. Now we have one simple linear equation in terms of x and u. So I will write here two equations. X equal to u plus 1 and x equal to minus u minus 1. Or I can write x minus 1 equal to u, and here I will write u equal to minus x minus 1, or we will write u equal to minus of x plus 1. Now our substitution is square root 2x plus 1. This is equal to u. So if I will square both sides, then 2x plus 1 will become u square. So I'll be squaring both the equations to get u square directly. So I will put here power 2, power 2. Here also we will put power 2, and in RHS we will put power 2. So I can write equation x square minus 2x plus 1 in left hand side, and in right hand side there is u square, which is 2x plus 1. We will write here 2x plus 1. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So plus 1 will be over. We will take all the terms to LHS. So x square minus 4x equal to 0. X is common, so in the bracket there would be x minus 4 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get x equal to 0, x equal to 4. So we have two real values of x. Now we have to solve second equation. This equation, u square will be 2x plus 1. So I will write 2x plus 1 over here equal to minus square is plus. So there would be x plus 1 whole square. Now we have to expand x plus 1 whole square. I will write here x plus 1 whole square equal to 2x plus 1. We will get x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 1. We will subtract 2x plus 1 from both the sides. So I will write minus 2x minus 1, minus 2x minus 1. We will cancel plus and minus 2x, plus and minus 1. RHS will be 0. Here also we will cancel plus and minus 1, plus and minus 2x. So x square will become 0. From here we will get x equal to 0. So in total we have two real solutions, 0 and 4. Now we have condition on x. Our x should be greater than or equal to 1. So on this ground, I will cancel x equal to 0. So we have the only real solution, x equal to 4. Now we are going to cross-examine. So I will write here check. We have equation over here. I will begin with the right hand side. X is equal to 4. Let's put x equal to 4 in right hand side. We will get 1 plus square root, 3 plus square root. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4. So we will write 1 plus square root 3 plus square root 36. Square root 36 is 6. We will write 1 plus square root 3 plus 6, which will be 1 plus square root 9. And square root 9 is 3. We will write 1 plus 3. It is equal to 4. And 4 is our x. X is 4. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.